Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Begovic for the Beauty TV Minute. Barbara, a 42-year-old mother of 3 from San Francisco, asks, after my children, I've noticed some extra tissue in my labia. I've been unable to do yoga and ride my bike because I feel embarrassed wearing tight clothing and also have discomfort. I've heard there's a surgery for this. Yes, Barbara, there is. In fact, I just finished writing a chapter about vaginal cosmetic surgery in the International Textbook of Aesthetic Surgery. The surgery essentially trims excessive tissue, resulting in an improved cosmetic appearance, as well as relieving discomfort from the excessive tissue rubbing on clothing. It is an outpatient surgery. You can usually go back to work in about 4 to 5 days, but you will have to wait 6 weeks before sexual intercourse. And complete healing, like most surgeries, is about 3 months. This is Dr. Kat Begovic with the Beauty TV Minute. For more information on today's topic, please log on to www.beautytv.me.